In today's video, you will learn an easy homemade way to kill roaches. Roaches are definitely unwanted guests as they aren't only gross, they also carry diseases. One way to eliminate them is by calling a pest control service, but it's a costly approach. It can also expose your house to toxic chemicals. So if you don't want harmful chemicals and want to save some money, there's a homemade way to kill these pests. For this method, all you need is 2 ingredients, granulated or powdered sugar and borax. Borax, or sodium tetraborate, is a naturally occurring mineral. It's an ingredient in many commercially made cleaners, cosmetics, and even some brands of toothpaste. You can purchase borax powder in most grocery stores, often in the soap or laundry aisle. You can also find large tubs of borax powder in hardware and pool supply stores. Borax can also come in liquid or spray form. However, borax is most effective in powder form because it's easy to spread and it sticks better to roaches' legs. There's often confusion between borax and boric acid. Are they the same thing? The answer is no. Well, not quite. Borax is a natural mineral, while boric acid is the chemical that comes from borax when it's processed and purified with hydrochloric acid. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Borax is the more common household item, but both borax and boric acid will eliminate roaches. Here's how to make your own effective homemade roach killer. Mix borax and sugar in equal parts. Then, simply apply the mixture to roach-infested areas in your home. Roaches usually hide under sinks, in cracks, baseboards, under cabinets, behind refrigerators, and other dark, moist places. You can reapply the mixture as needed until they're all gone. See how simple and easy that is? Cockroaches consume this mixture because they're attracted to the sugar. And once they consume it, the borax damages their outer skeleton and digestive system, resulting in death. Borax is technically sodium tetraborate, and the sodium part penetrates the roach's external skeleton and dehydrates them. Cockroaches dehydrate easily, which is why borax is so effective at killing them. Borax also works very much like the boric acid found in commercial pest control products, but it costs a lot less. There are also several benefits to using this homemade borax mixture to kill cockroaches. It's fast-acting, inexpensive, free of fumes, and environmentally friendly. Plus, you won't end up with a hefty bill from the pest control folks. So you don't need to use expensive, unnatural methods to rid your home of roaches. The mixture of borax and sugar is cheap and effective. However, you must keep this mixture away from children, pets, and food prep areas. Make sure you only bait areas that your pets and family won't come into contact with. You should also wear a mask when applying the mixture and avoid inhaling it. Have you heard about this DIY homemade way to kill roaches? Have you ever tried it? Tell us what the results were in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get my free ebook linked in the description box below to learn 10 essential steps to strengthen your immune system so you'll feel your best.